folks. On with the horror show. The horror freight show. Horrible freight. Horror freight. What did I pick up at Harbor Freight? I picked up 3 things. Picked up a bunch of these. They were $2 for, what was it? I think it was a set of 4. I'm not sure what. 4? Yeah, there's 4 of them. There's 4 different kinds. I don't know if that, I got 8 of them. I got 2 packs. So I know there's a silver one and whatever. Couldn't go wrong. You want cheap little wire brushes. I do notice when you buy better quality, like this is just a plastic one, but if you buy the what do you call it, these brushes, I notice on some of them the bristles are a lot thicker, so they might be skimping out on the thing. But hey, I'm not paying $6 for one brush to have it destroyed in 5 minutes. With that said, I also picked up these. Were in the liquidation aisle. It's the Warrior brand cutoff discs. I've tried some of the other cutoff discs, and like most cutoff discs, if you don't force them, they'll last longer. As long as you let the disc do the work, they all seem like I did have one brand, cheap brand, I don't know, it's over there. It might have been a Harbor Freight one. It might have been one of these like wacky store-bought brands where I literally was cutting steel and I watched the whole disc turn to powder in about 4 seconds. So we'll find out if you see a video of me with my eye cut off or have it impaled on my skin. I know it's a piece of crap. I also picked up a set of these, and I gotta see if they are why is my phone bouncing? Oh, the thing was on the wire. Picked up a set of C-clip. I don't know why it says E-clip. Aren't they C-clips or the E-clips? Or is it because the little dot outside the E? But anyway, I picked up an E-clip. Why? Because I want to see if it fits one bolt. One little thing here, which, let's see. On here, there's a little tiny thing, right? Let's see if you can see this. There's one right here. It's not coming out yet, but there's an E-clip here, and an E-clip here, and a C-clip here, and a clip everywhere. So that's what I got it for. I was gonna pick them up ages ago because I know I'm gonna need them. I know there was a few I needed for a few things. So yeah. So I picked up these. Let me open up, see how it looks inside. See how it looks inside. There. I gotta fix this camera here. There we go. Camera. Let's go like this. There we go. Is that good? Bouncy. I'll have to put the cable somewhere else here. Yeah. Let's open this up here. Ooh, look at that knife. Come on. There we go. No, I didn't use a chainsaw to open up the plastic. I watch all these YouTube channels, and I know a few times I've copied them using a 3-inch cutoff wheel. But today, no such animal. Put that over there. What do we got here? Bet you I don't even have the right size. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Little spinchy ones. This has got a whole bunch of these ones. I'm willing to bet none of these are going to fit. Not one frickin' one in here, even though it looks like the right size. My guess is no siree. There's going to be no cigar. This is about the only size I think that's going to fit. So let's take one out of here and see. Come on. Oh, come on, man. There we go, there's one. Let's check that thing out. Close this so I don't drop it on the floor. Grab that thing here. Is this even the right size? It's supposed to go on here. So, maybe. Not really. Fits, but doesn't fit very well. No. Nope. Wrong size. That is the wrong size. So anyway, we'll probably order from Honda. But get some more E-clips. But anyway, if you're a Harbor Freight fan, they got some cool things. Like, don't get me wrong, they're not perfect. They're getting a little better. The most useful thing I bought was this thing. I think it was $2.99. This thing is so far lived pretty good life. Does the job. I bought 2 of them actually. I lost the other one. So, all you Harbor Freighters out there who people rank on cheap Chinese stuff, it's getting better. They're working on it. I don't think they're working too quick, but hey, it's not bad. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and scratch your ear every now and then. Click some buttons. Toodles.